React.js. Yes, what is React.js? It is library of yes. React.js is nothing but the library of JavaScript. So means what the functionalities we can do with JavaScript, everything we can do with React.js. Okay. But additionally, more functionalities are providing here in the form of libraries. Take clear. So that is the concept of React.js. Okay. Yes. So now here is a client-side script or server-side script? It is client-side script. Yes. Yes. React.js is a client-side script. Client-side script means what is that? The script which is executing in the browser. We can call it as client-side script. Yes. Server-side script, what is that? The script which is executing in web server. We are calling it server-side script. Yes, yesterday I told you what kind of logics we can implement using client-side script. Yes, we can use the client-side scripts to, yes. Yeah, tell me in which form use client-side script, you tell me.
Sir, to apply dynamic functionalities on HTML controls. To validate input controls.
Yeah. To apply the dynamic functionalities on HTML controls. Next one, to validate input controls.
Yeah.
Yes. Next one, to quit
To
dynamic
work with
functionalities on
Ajax.
HTML controls. And yes, what is that? Yes.
Sir, to work with
So
Ajax.
client side. Yes. Client side scripts we can use to apply dynamic functionalities on HTML controls. Next one, to validate input controls. Next one, to execute some logics in browser. Yes, to execute some logics in browser. And next one, to work with Ajax concepts also. To work with Ajax concepts. In this point, we are taking support of the client-side scripts. Yes. Okay. Now, initially JavaScript was there. Later, next level of JavaScript technologies like Angular, React, etc. With these technologies we are using here. Initially, JavaScript was there, but after that, next level technologies of JavaScript like Angular, React, etc. These are the technologies which we use it here. Okay. Yes. React is implemented by in 2013. Okay. First, they used it for Facebook. Who implemented Jordan Walker. Okay, so they used it for Facebook. Charting application of Facebook, they used this. Okay. Okay. So here the thing is to implement some concepts in Facebook. First, they used this one later. So they released it as public version. Then many people started to work with this React.js. This clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So Instagram, Apple, like that in different applications, they use this React.js. So yesterday I told you some features of React.js, like it supports single page application concept. Next one, it supports data binding concept. Many services it is supporting. Like the different types of concepts it is supporting here. Already we have discussed about concepts here. Yes. Yes. So these concepts, functional point of view, we need to discuss. What is single page application? What is data binding? Like that. In order to work with this React.js, first we should have complete idea on JavaScript. Okay. Yes. Because I told you it is library of JavaScript, right? Yes. So React.js is nothing but the library of JavaScript. That's why here JavaScript. Yes. What is JavaScript? It is a client-side script. Yes. So who implemented JavaScript? Can you tell me? Who implemented this one? Yes. JavaScript is implemented by Netscape Corporation. Yes, yeah. So here the Netscape Corporation group is implemented this JavaScript. Okay. Implemented by Netscape Corporation. Yes, yeah. Yes, that is the corporation. Many people are thinking JavaScript is implemented by Sun Microsystem. So don't feel like that. Java is different here. Yes. And JavaScript is different. Yes. Both are different products here. Yes. So now here, original name of JavaScript is LiveScript. The main original name of JavaScript is LiveScript. Yes. Yes. Or the original name of JavaScript is LiveScript. Later it is converted as JavaScript. Okay. Yes. Original. Original name of JavaScript is LiveScript. So it is a default client-side script of every browser. Yes. So every browser default client-side script is JavaScript. Yes. Means every browser contains the engines. Yes. To run the JavaScript. So that's why I told you it is default client-side script of every browser. Yes. See, what are the rules we are discussing in the JavaScript? Yes. Yeah. One is JavaScript is loosely typed script. Okay. Yes. And JavaScript is case sensitive. Next one here, JavaScript is okay. Yeah. That is Camel Case. Do you know what is Camel Case? Yes. So Camel Case means every word first character is capital letters. Okay. So for example, one function is there. That function is collection of many words. Yes, every word first character is capital letter. That is the concept of Camel Case. Okay. Yes. Now you can see this. JavaScript is loosely typed script. Loosely typed script means it is not supporting any data types like number, string, boolean, like that. So explicitly we don't provide any data types, but internally, okay, every variable contains data types based on the value which we assign. That is the concept of loosely typed script. Directly we are declaring the variable like this. Serial number is one variable and we can assign the value 100 or something like that. And we are using some keywords like where, like that we are using these keywords. Okay, I will discuss with you what is where and what is like, but it is not any data. Yes. JavaScript is loosely typed script. Is it clear? Yes. JavaScript is case sensitive and supports cases. It is nothing but the case sensitive and supports camel cases. Okay, yes. So what is the camel case? So if any function is collection of many words, okay, yes. So every word first character is capital letter. Yes, that's the concept of camel case. So next one, JavaScript. If you observe here, yes, JavaScript is providing many functions here, okay, in the form of objects. Okay, JavaScript is object-based script. Yes, yes. So here many objects it is providing. Window is one object, document is one object, like the different types of objects it is providing for us. Okay, using these objects we are working with this JavaScript. Yes. Yeah. Next one here, JavaScript supports any type of browser. Yes, it is supporting any type of browser like that. This is the concept of this. So Internet Explorer it is supporting, Mozilla Firefox it is supporting like the different types of browsers it is supporting like this. Yes. Yes. So next one here, JavaScript code. We should place within the script declaration style tags. Yes. So where we can play the JavaScript code within the script declaration style tags like that. This is script open tag and closing tag. There we can place the JavaScript code like this. Yeah. These are the basic points. What we should know before starting the JavaScript. Okay. Yes. So any doubts you have in this point of, you can ask me. Okay. Yes.
So how much JavaScript is okay for the React actually? Like I know DOM manipulation and all things, but not in advanced level of JavaScript like higher order function and these types of things. I don't know. I only heard their
So
name.
complete JavaScript.
Okay.
Okay. Complete JavaScript is required to work with this React JS because here promises concept. Okay. Observers concepts. Okay. Like that. like that, different types of concepts are there. Async await, Ajax, etc. Okay. Like that. Yeah. So any more questions? It's fine. Now how to declare the JavaScript, that we will discuss now. Okay. Yes. So now in the script, if you observe here, okay, I want to take new. So initially I'm discussing with edit plus. Okay. So later I will use that Microsoft Visual Studio Code. With that ID I will use here. Okay. Yes. But initially I'm discussing with edit plus. Okay. So here in our, okay, yes, programs point of view, we are working with Microsoft Visual Studio Code. That's the concept. Okay, fine. Now I opened that new edit plus. So I'm saving this file with name. Demo.html I've given. What the name of this file? Demo.html. Already it is open here. Demo1.html. In this script open tag and the script closing tag are taken like this. So now actually HTML file syntax, if you observe here, HTML tag we are using. Yes. Inside that HTML tag we are using head tag, and we are also using body tag. This is the structure of HTML document, right? Yes. So HTML tag we are using, inside that head tag and body tag. So all head related elements we are placing in head tag, and all body related elements we are placing in body tag. That's the concept of this. Yes. Now in this head tag, so in HTML title, if you take here title, title comes under head tag. Meta is there, meta comes under head tag. So like that, some tags are head tags and some tags body tags. Image, for example, image displays in the browser document body, so that comes under body tag. Input, yes, that input also comes under body tag. So like that here, some tags are head tags and some tags are body tags we have. So that is not our concept, okay? Because here as a UI developer, we don't use that HTML. Yes. So the main concept is how to use this JavaScript, where I can use. Within the head tag, we can use JavaScript, as well as within the body tag also you can use JavaScript. Yes. So here script type is equal to /JavaScript like that I've taken the script type. Yes, yeah. Now here, if you observe in this scenario, I used some properties here. Yes. What is the first one? Type. What is type property in which point of view? Actually, here we are telling to the browser which type of script we are creating between this open and closing tags. Yes, yeah. So this is the type property we are using here to tell the browser which type of script we are using between this open and closing tags. So here browser is executing many scripts, not only JavaScript here. Browser is executing CSS script, VB script, like the different types of scripts it is executing. Yes. So in this point of view, we are providing the type of script which we are using. So it is text formatted JavaScript line. Yes. So for example, if we are placing any VB script, then we should use text slash VB script. CSS script, if we are writing text slash CSS, like that we are telling the type of script. Based on this, browser can understand this type. Yes. Now here, language means what is that? Yeah, which language? If anybody right click on your browser and select the page source like this, for example, this is PR demo1.html file. Let me open that demo1.html. Now here in browser, users will open this file through browser if they want to see. So just view page source. Then they can identify this is JavaScript language like that. Yes, for user point of view, we are in this language. Yes. So type is there. Type means okay. So which type of script we are passing to the browser, that we are telling to browser. And language means end user point of view. Okay, he want to see, you want to know what is language this script contains. Okay, in that point of the language property we are using. Like the type is one property, language is one property. Yes. Now, is it compulsory to use the language? It is not compulsory. Yes, because here, even if end user doesn't know about this language property, it's not risk for us. And what about type property? Is it compulsory to use that? Okay, yes. So the type property is not mandatory here, because I told you every browser default client side script is JavaScript. Yes, that's why the type is also not compulsory here. Yes, yeah. Like that we are using type as well as language properties here. Okay, fine. So here, alert hi message. Alert we are using to display the message box in browser. So what the message I'm displaying here? Hi message I'm displaying like this. Okay, this alert hi I have given. It display the message box. Now if I refresh this program, we'll get this hi message. Is this clear? Okay, fine. Now this script I have taken within the head tag, okay, and body tag also I'm taking here. script open and script close. So every time it is not required to use the type and language, but when you are providing creating the projects, so it is better habit to give the type property. Now here type is equal to text slash JavaScript. Yes, alert and body. Save this and refresh here. Hi is there and from body. So here I'm using from head. Yes. Okay, like that here these are two different locations which we are using here. One is head tag, another one is body tag, like that. Yes, now here these are two different locations which we are using to work with this JavaScript. Okay, so when we are coming to the React.js, in the React.js, same concept we are using here. Okay, in the React.js also we are using the same concept. Okay, so we are using that React.js in different locations. Now external file also we can use to declare the JavaScript. Which one here? External file. Yes. So for example, you want to read the script, then we can take the support of this external file. Save this file here. Desktop. Yes. myscript.js. One file I have taken like this. What is the name of this file? myscript.js. Yes. So in this file, I'm placing alert Scott and alert Amit. Now this script you want to access from the HTML program. Yes. So where is your HTML program? 1 second. Yes. This is the HTML program. Yes. Then how can I access script source is equal to my script dot body welcome message. When I'm refreshing here, Scott is the output and Amit is the output. After that, we'll get this message here. What the message? Welcome is the message which we have in this location. Yes. So let me close this unnecessary pages. Yeah. So what is the advantage of this external script? This external script we are using for reusability. Yes. Yes. We can reuse the external script which we declared here. So like that, these are three different locations to declare the JavaScript here. So one is yes, head tag, another one is body tag, another one is from external script tag. Now, so according to the requirement, for example, you want to execute script after some elements of body. Yes, you want to execute the script after elements of some body. Then we are taking the support of body tag. For example, one program I will show you. That program you will get clarity. So this is head tag and this is body tag. So in this body tag, one image source is equal to apple.jpc and width is equal to 100 pixels. Like that, I have taken one image. Yes, in this image, okay, I want to take some text boxes. Type is equal to text. So many text boxes I'm printing like this. But my requirement is I want to display many more text boxes, just like Excel sheet here. Many more text boxes I want to display, just like Excel sheet. In their point of view, so how many input tags you will place like this? Many input tags. That is not good. So that's why here, see, we are writing the script within this body tag. In this script for where I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 1000, I plus plus. Yes, now here where control is equal, I've given this one, control is equal to, so document dot create element, which element, input element I have given like this. Yes, so don't try to understand this coding, I will discuss with you later. Okay, see, yes, con dot type is equal to text, so document dot body dot append shell the font. So some code I have written. Now you can see what this code is doing here. It is placing the many controls in this web page here. One second, C1, yeah. Now refresh, you can see. So it is placing many text boxes just like one Excel sheet. These type of operations you want to do. So then we are using this document dot, okay, body dot append shell. Okay, these type of functions we are using. Those functions where I have written here after this image control in the body. Is it clear? Yes. This body after the image control I have written this script. Like that, this is the concept we are using now. Okay, within the head tag, body tag, and next one outside the external script like that. So external script is nothing but here reusable pointer we are using. Yes, you clear with this concept, I guess. Any doubts you have in this scenario, you can ask me now. Any questions you have? No doubts. Okay. Now we will start the discussion of, okay, yes, what are the objects we have in this JavaScript and how to work with these objects. Okay, those concepts we need to discuss. Before that, what is hosting concept, okay, and what are the ECMAScript 6 standards, like that, these concepts we need to discuss. Okay, yes. So today's second demo, like that we have two more demos here. So demos means I will take the session up to 50 minutes like that only. And what about tomorrow? Tomorrow is festival. Is there you want class or not? You tell me.
Yes, sir, it's your wish, sir.
Yes, then I will take the session for you tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay, sir.
And we will discuss that function declaration, variable declaration, where and let these keywords. Okay. Yes. So two
Yes.
more sessions I will take the less time. After that, I will increase the times here. And here I will merge this batch with 9 o'clock batch shortly. So means within 1 week your timings would be 9 to 10. You understand this?
Yes, sir.
Because this is the add-on batch or another batch. That's why here. So after 4-5 days, your time would be 9 to 10. Okay, not
Sure.
8 to 9. So I am informing you this message before your fees payment only. So that's why you can think and pay the money. So this is the add-on batch of 9 o'clock batch. Yes.
Sir, how much is amount, sir, the payment fees?
Uh,
How much is the
how?
payment for this course?
You should ask in front office. Okay, they will tell you. So DURGASOFT main office you can call. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Tomorrow session we'll discuss variables, everything here. Is it clear? Yes. So next class you can leave now. Yeah. ఏం చేసింది వీడియో వినాయకుడిని ఎస్
Sir, 9 a.m. batch started or not, sir?
9 AM started, but I stopped that one because of you only.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Once when I met both of it, then I will take that one.
Okay, sir.
Next. Okay, fine. In tomorrow's session, we'll discuss the remaining concepts. You can leave now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.